Pulled up in that foreign Willie. Count 5, count a milli. My partner got me off hard liquor. I'm Henny sipping, my palms itching. 6 Mile, I'm block bound. Tech 9 and sound off. Come around on my side of town and your whole block get roped off. Tell me, get him, I got her. I bang all in that. My shot sharper than Ron Harper. I'm selling dope on Lauder. Fiends. What up, yo, y'all? So Ross got the presidential car, right? Wow. I wanted to. Yeah, that thing bulletproof. It's bulletproof, Ross. Yeah, that's nice, man. Shit, I want to get in the motherfucker. So yeah, so this is the Rick Ross Road. You feel me? So all of this is like motivation to a young player. You know what I mean? All of this motivates me, man. So one day I got about like a 6-car collection, but one day it'll be a little bit better. You know what I'm saying? Shout out to all the hustlers and the real ones out here, man. So, yeah, you know what I mean? So this is a collection. I really love this right here. This is Chevelle. This is one of my dream cars. So yeah, you know what I mean? Rick Ross Car Show 2025, the 4th annual joint. Yeah, stick with me, man. We here all day, man. Yeah. You want a shirt? Huh? Car show shirt? I mean, no, I'm not gonna get one, but did you want one? I don't. Yeah, my lady done pulled in today. Say what up, Keisha? What's good with it? What's good? You know it. Yeah, so we out here. Rick Ross Car Show is going down today. You know what I'm saying? Oh, no, I'm good. I paid double. I'm cool, brother. No, they want us to gamble our money away, girl.
Abstract G.
Excuse me, I'm sorry, I'm going right through.
I'm trendsetter. Absolutely. I'm the youngest one of the youngest. Coming out of Dade County.
What's your name for the gram, Ferrari, my boy? What got you into the car game, man?
Coach of Dade County where I'm from.
Dade County?
My bloodline.
Your bloodline. What was your first car? What was the first car you ever had, bro?
Monte Carlo.
Monte Carlos? What's your dream car right now? The car that you want the most right now, brother?
Oh, that's a good one right there.
That's a good one?
Yeah.
Rolls Royce, the brand new
I'll
joint?
take that new
The 25 joint?
I'll take that.
My dog, man. Shout out to Ferrari, man. My dog, I'm from Detroit. I got family in Dade County, man. I'm plugged in, Carroll City all day, my dog. Nice to meet you.
It's 11 o'clock. I'm trying to get in that car. He was bagged That's a winner right there.
What you have to bring to
Right now we at the 4th annual Rick Ross Car Show here in Atlanta. It is going down. You know what I'm saying? We right here with it. Yeah. Man, did you find somebody to get that?
I'm still searching around.
Still searching? Okay, okay.
That's all I want to do is, yeah. That's all I want to do is. You won't fuck up your panties, you better take them off. Finna play with that pussy until I get your mouse. I can't fuck you when you dry, cause that'll turn me off. If I can smell it, then baby, I'll put it in my mouth. I wanna suck on them titties, cause they look soft. Do me a favor for me, keep your legs uncrossed. So I can lay on your dick, got boxes off. And got you biting on your lip cause you can't talk. And after I give you this dick, I bet I change your walk. And I'ma play with that click, want you to pull it out. Get your
shit, Rose. Got so many shades, they thought I had a lazy eye. Tell them again. Shorty Rory swooped his mama said it right. Tell them again. No love, cry when only babies die. And when I go that girl, you better go on and die. I pray to God I'm the biggest. That this soul out his shirt and take him for that ride. OG is one who's standing on his own feet. What that mean? My boss is one who guarantee we gon' eat. Fuck a blood dog, so one day we gon' meet. I'ma spaz on your ass like I'm on knee. Let that motherfucker rip. Boom.
Hold up the choppers like it's December 31st.
Tweet.
Roll up and cock it and hit them niggas where it hurts.
Ready.
God is dead. Remember me like John Lennon. Barrett and Louis, I'm talking all black.
What nigga, what you is? Big black nigga. Huh? And not only that, the quality, the craftsmanship. I feel this by far was the best work that's been on the promised land. I'm excited, so let's get down to it. Big key winners. And we gotta salute out all the OG winners from the very first car show, the second, the third, and here we are, number 4. Big key winner. Let's get straight to it for Hot Rod. The Hot Rod of the Year. 1957, Chevy Bel Air. Congratulations to Cliff. Motherfucker, cause the devil is alive. Double cup, go rich. Double up on the blow, bitch.
Is the truth. Yeah, it is.
The devil is alive. The devil is alive. Bitch, I'm alive. Watch out for Cliff. The night of the year, baby. Slippery Soap Hot Rod of the Year. All right. We finna move on to Hustler of the Year. Hustler of the motherfucking year. Of the year. No lab stones, no zirconias. You feel me? VBS flawless. You feel me? You gotta let them see what that key look like, man. Hustler of the Year. Easy Money, you been down from car show number 1, car show number 2, car show number 3. And you won, you earned Hustler of the Year at car show number 4. Let them know what all cars, you got out here.
We got the 52 Granddaddy in the front, the OG of all the Bel Airs. We got the 51 behind it, Cadillac. Then we got the 2025 Cadillac V, 2024 lifted GMC Denali. Fastest donk in the motherfucking world. This is the second year I done been here and been the fastest in the motherfucking world. Not just Georgia, not just Florida, in the motherfucking world. You hear me? Then, yeah. Hey, then we got the Jeep Rubicon over there. Get your tickets. That motherfucker like brand new. We got that over there. We got the Harley bag over there. I got a whole fucking bus over there. And I got the smart car, the side by side. All that shit, man. You can holler at me at Easy Color Works. You need some work, holler at me. We do work. All one-stop shop. Much love, Rose, 57 Freddy. And this shit a bless.
Pulled up in that foreign Willie, count 5, count a milli. My partner got me off hard liquor. I'm Henny sipping, my palms itching. 6 Mile, I'm block bound. Tech 9 and sound off. Come around on my side of town and your whole block get roped off. Tell me, get him, I got her. I bang all in that. My shot sharper than Ron Harper. I'm selling dope on Lauder. Fiends begging, I never bought it. I want money like Sean Carter. Free water, no free quarter. I'm getting mine from Florida. I'm back.